Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, June 1st, 2026 at 13:46, and we have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. First off, I I misjudged my dentist appointment by a day. I thought it was today. Turns out it's tomorrow. So, anyhow, I am now able to do the day 2 outlook. So, oops. But anyway, I do honestly look stupid now for walking in there a day early. So, oopsie. Anyway, going into the slight risk for tomorrow, we have parts of extreme eastern Wyoming, parts of northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, through central North Dakota, and it looks like, I think that's Manitoba. Extreme parts of southern Manitoba is in a slight risk, it looks like. And it looks like parts of, I think that's Alberta. I do believe parts of extreme southeastern Alberta is under a slight as well. Marginal risk, we have parts of eastern and western North Dakota, eastern Montana, central to eastern South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, western to central Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, western Oklahoma, parts of northern part of the Texas Panhandle, and eastern New Mexico. We do have those areas under a marginal risk. We also have a marginal risk for parts of southeastern Alabama through northern and eastern Georgia and Florida and southern Georgia. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk as well. We have Rapid City, Bismarck, Minot, Mandan, and Dickinson under the slight, and Jacksonville, Lubbock, Orlando, Amarillo, and Tallahassee under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses eastern Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, through central North Dakota, extreme southeastern Alberta, and extreme southern Manitoba, I do believe is what the areas are in Canada. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk. So we have Rapid City, Bismarck, Minot, Mandan, and Dickinson under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses eastern Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and central North Dakota. And again, extreme, even though the SPC doesn't serve Canada, still they kind of highlighted it. So extreme southeastern Alberta and extreme southern Manitoba. We also have a 5% that encompasses extreme southeastern Alberta and extreme southern Manitoba. We have extreme northwestern Minnesota, parts of eastern and western North Dakota, eastern Montana, central South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, western to central Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, western Oklahoma, parts of northern part of the Texas Panhandle, and eastern New Mexico. We also have a 5% over here encompassing parts of southeastern Alabama, northern to eastern Florida, and southern Georgia. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Rapid City, Bismarck, Minot, Mandan, and Dickinson under the 15%, and Jacksonville, Lubbock, Orlando, Amarillo, and Tallahassee under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses extreme eastern Wyoming, northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and central North Dakota. We have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of northern to central North Dakota, parts of central South Dakota, and parts of northern Nebraska, and also extreme southeastern Alberta and extreme southern Manitoba. We also have a 5% that encompasses parts of extreme southeastern Alberta and extreme southern Manitoba, extreme northwestern Minnesota, eastern and western North Dakota, eastern Montana, eastern Wyoming, central South Dakota, western to central Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, western Oklahoma, northern part of the Texas Panhandle, and eastern New Mexico. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Rapid City, Bismarck, Minot, Mandan, and Dickinson under the significant severe, as well as the 15%, and Amarillo, Cheyenne, Clovis, Kearney, and Garden City under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 15% we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. And 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says thunderstorms with large hail, severe wind gusts, and potentially an isolated tornado threat are expected on Tuesday afternoon and evening. Oh, there's the reset. In parts of the northern plains. Strong wind gusts and marginal hail will also be possible in parts of the southern and central high plains. A few severe wind gusts may also occur from southern Georgia into northern and eastern Florida. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even though tomorrow you may be in a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Stay today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.